In the world of project management tools, clear communication and timely recognition are critical for keeping teams engaged and projects moving forward. Basecamp, known for its straightforward approach to collaboration, offers a unique feature that directly addresses these aspects: the boost. For newcomers to Basecamp, or even seasoned users who haven't explored all its nuances, the function of boost might not be immediately apparent. So what exactly does boost mean in Basecamp, and how can project teams leverage it effectively? At its simplest, a boost in Basecamp is a quick, positive reaction or acknowledgement to something someone has shared. Think of it as Basecamp's version of a like button, a thumbs up, or a quick nod of approval, but with a specific intention within the context of team communication. It's a lightweight way to show support, indicate agreement, or simply confirm that you've seen and appreciated a message, a file, a to-do, or any other piece of content within a Basecamp project. Unlike a full comment or a lengthy reply, a boost is designed to be minimal effort for maximum impact. It's about providing immediate, low-friction feedback without adding unnecessary noise to a discussion thread. In a busy project environment, where information flows constantly, the ability to quickly acknowledge receipt or express appreciation can be invaluable. Why is boost important in project management? From a project management expert's viewpoint, the boost feature, while seemingly small, plays several crucial roles in fostering effective team dynamics and communication. Quick acknowledgement and receipt. Imagine a scenario where a team member posts an important update, shares a crucial document, or marks a significant task as complete. Instead of everyone typing, "Got it, thanks," or "Acknowledged," a simple boost can confirm that the message has been seen and understood by multiple people. This prevents redundant replies and keeps the communication channel clear. For a project manager, this visual confirmation is a quick way to gauge if key information has been disseminated and received by the relevant team members. Boosting morale and recognition. People thrive on recognition. When someone puts effort into completing a challenging task, sharing a valuable insight, or hitting a project milestone, a boost acts as immediate positive reinforcement. It's a small gesture that signals, "I saw that, and I appreciate your contribution." This can significantly boost team morale, encourage continued effort, and make individuals feel valued within the project. A project manager can use boosts strategically to publicly acknowledge individual and team achievements, encouraging participation and feedback. Sometimes, team members might be hesitant to post a full comment, perhaps feeling their input isn't substantial enough. A boost provides a low-pressure way for them to engage. If someone posts an idea or a suggestion, a cluster of boosts can quickly indicate that the idea has resonance or support among the team, encouraging further discussion or development. It helps gauge initial sentiment without requiring formal consensus. Reducing communication clutter. One of the biggest challenges in project communication is information overload. Endless reply-all emails or comment threads filled with simple acknowledgements can make it difficult to find the truly important information. The boost feature elegantly solves this by providing a dedicated, concise way to react without creating a new, often empty, comment. This keeps discussion threads focused on substantive conversations. Gauging consensus, informally while not a formal voting mechanism. A high number of boosts on a particular idea or proposal can serve as an informal indicator of team agreement or preference. If a project manager proposes 2 options for a deliverable, and one receives significantly more boosts, it provides an immediate pulse check on team sentiment, guiding further decision-making. How to use boost effectively. To maximize the benefits of the boost feature, consider these best practices. Be timely. Boost messages as soon as you've read and processed them. This provides immediate feedback to the sender. Be genuine. Don't just boost everything. Use it to genuinely acknowledge, appreciate, or agree with content that warrants a reaction. Encourage team usage. As a project manager, model the behavior. Use boosts yourself and encourage your team to use them as a standard way of acknowledging and showing appreciation. Know when to comment. While boosts are great for quick reactions, remember they are not a substitute for substantive comments when detailed feedback, questions, or further discussion are required. Use boosts for simple acknowledgements and comments for deeper engagement. Context is key. Understand that a boost is a positive affirmation. It's not meant for disagreement or negative feedback.